Hang on. That's James Spencelli near the waterfall.
Further back, Paul, if you want to go lower, look, to there.
That's what I was
You're soaking.
Right.
Quick, you can get wet.
Go on. In a bit.
Oh no, my hair.
Hang on, I'm going to start the back.
Quick, quick, you're going to get wet.